Hi you guys, today we are back at the Mattel Adventure Park in Crystal Lagoons Island Resort construction site, checking out the progress, seeing what's been done since the last time we were here. On first glance, it doesn't really look like too much, but let's take a closer look and see if we can see any more significant progress being made since the last time we were here. I was in the area actually trying to test drive a Tesla. Okay. So I figured, why not come over here and shoot some content? I wasn't able to test drive the Tesla, which I talked about on my Instagram story. So if you want to check me out on Instagram, my handle is the.alex.miller. So go follow me over there if you want to be involved in some more kind of like short vlog content. But enough of that, back to the construction update. Okay, I mean, it looks like, I think that whole part with the purple is new. If I'm not mistaken, the last time I was here, it was just this main building. Oh, all of this has been filled in. This was a big open hole the last time I was here. So that's good. That looks like a lot of progress has been made in this area, which isn't necessarily visible from the street on first glance. We got some big elevators moving over there. That's kind of cool. Bringing workers up to different floors. There's a lot of movement happening there. Like I see workers on just about every floor. Look at this guy climbing a ladder. This looks like they're trying to get as much movement on this as possible, but it still just doesn't feel like they've made a lot of progress to me. Here's the side of the building over here. Big old crane swinging around up there. That's kind of cool to see. Oh, check this out. We got a big old slab coming in. I think it's just wood. It looks like there's some concrete on there too. It's blowing around a lot with the wind. It's really hard for me to see my screen right now. It's so bright out. I'm now over here by the little offices and stuff where probably all the project planning is going down. Which, by the way, hi, if anyone's in there, I would love a partnership. Any partnership opportunities with influencers you guys do, please hit up the email in my description. Thank you. Here's a big underground section they're working on right now. I assume that's gonna be like water reservoirs and whatnot for the giant lagoon. Don't know for sure here. Everything's speculation. Looks like some good progress is coming along in this area. We got a bunch of cement trucks down there. A big old crane thing. I think that's filling up the cement walls. We've got some cranes and stuff way over there in the far back where the Mattel Adventure Park is supposed to go, I believe. And that looks far enough back there that that's probably some concrete getting poured for stuff over there. I would love to get a look over there, but I don't really think I'll be able to get to that side. Might be able to if I go walk all the way back around that way. I might just do that for you guys. Here's a good shot of the resort from the east side over here. Pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of rebar sticking out of the ground over in that area. So a lot more development to be had in that section, it seems. And we'll probably see that be going up pretty soon. I think I'm just gonna walk on back around to that other side now and try to get some different shots and try to get down by where the Mattel Adventure Park is supposed to go. We'll see if I'll be able to. Oh, hey, check it out. There's the big thing that we saw the crane lift up that they're installing now. That's cool. I guess that's like a frame for them to pour concrete into, because I can see like the exposed concrete portion. Oh gosh. So I can see like the exposed concrete portions of the sections around it. I wonder if that's how they're doing it. That's interesting. Hey guys, check it out. That chair's still out here. If you saw my last construction update video, this chair was still in about the same space, or the same area over here. We're gonna keep tabs on this chair the whole time. The whole construction progress vlog series. We're gonna keep an eye on that chair. Okay, we're back at the front now, and it looks like we got a pretty clear path here to walk on down, so let's go see what's going on down here. I hope I don't run into any rattlesnakes out here. Could you imagine? I would run. I would turn and run, and we would not see what the construction is like down here. It's already a pretty different shot here. We can see a lot of the progress of this floor. Looks like they're getting ready for some concrete. They got a ton of rebar down. It's so bright out right now. It's really hard for me to see my phone screen while I'm recording, honestly. So fingers crossed, everything's framed decently well. Oh, hey, this is also a nice clear shot of the area I was talking about earlier with all the rebar sticking up. I think that's gonna be like some shops and stuff. Or honestly, actually, there's probably another wing of the hotel. All right, you guys, check this out. There's actually a good amount of progress over here compared to it being completely flat and nothing at all going on the last time I was here. So this is looking good. This could be over near where the station of the roller coasters are supposed to go, or the Hot Wheels looping roller coaster is supposed to go potentially, or the other kiddie roller coaster that was shown at the AYO diagram. We'll keep going a little further down, see if we can see anything else. That scared me. Oh my God. I was just about to talk about how I have not seen any rattlesnakes yet. And while I was talking to you guys, my leg brushed into this. It like literally like poked me like straight into my leg like that. Right when I was just about to say I hadn't seen any rattlesnakes. So like the rattlesnake was on the mind, scared me. And yes, I'm very well aware that'd be incredibly rare to see a rattlesnake right here. But what's life without a little drama? What's life without a little suspense? We gotta spice up this construction vlog, you know what I'm saying? Here's the crane going. Oh my God, I'm really close to this right now. I kind of feel like I shouldn't be this close to it, but hey, yeah, look at all this stuff. That's cool. There's a nice concrete platform right there. Wow. They're about to lift something with the crane here. I'm trying to get further down this way so that I'm not like near it or something. I don't want to be an extra risk or hazard. But yeah, here's what we can see from this side. A little bit of a building going up right here. Very cool. Over here, they've got like a whole like mining operation. Mining away. Like it's literally a quarry dug out over here. Like there's a truck, but they've got these like conveyor belts that they're putting dirt onto and like running it out of the excavation site. But other than that, I think that's about all we got down here. Okay, go off, girl boss pink crane. Yes, work, slay serve. I'm heading back now. It's really hot out. Things are looking good after taking a little more detailed look at it rather than just seeing overall from a distance. You know, a good amount of progress has been made. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like. It really does help me out. Watch one of these other videos on the screen now, and I'll see you there. Bye. Okay, hold on. I was walking back to my car, and there's a dead fish over here. We're in the desert. Where did this come from?